Hi, this is Stephen. I've been with the UST for the past 4.5 years, and all these years I've been hearing about the servant leadership movement. When I joined UST in September 2021, where we were just returning from the pandemic, all the trainings were happening online, and I did get a chance, an opportunity to take part in one of the trainings for servant leadership after a couple of months that I joined USD, and that training itself was really helpful. It gave me an insight to know more about this kind of leadership style, because in my past organization I've not heard anything about servant leadership. And it's all about being a servant first. It's like first we need to have that mentality to serve others. So it's basically, servant leader is someone like who invests in the life of another person to the extent that the other person becomes bigger, better, wiser, richer, healthier, wealthier, more famous than the leader himself or herself. This is what has been defined by Dr. Madana Kumar in the year of 2013. And with AI coming into place, Dr. Madana Kumar has redefined servant leadership as the intentional use of influence and intelligence, human and artificial, to help others grow beyond themselves, creating impact that uplifts people, organizations, and society. Which really means that we don't need to be afraid or fearful of AI. Just need to use that technology to and adapt it into the servant leadership style in a way that we can do much more better things for the people that are around us, that in our workplace, in our community. It's all about having a heart to serve others. And the key takeaway for me from this training is that we need to value people first and practice servant leadership in spite of whatever technology that comes year after year. So I have decided that I would spend more time with my team members to make sure that I understand any challenges that they are going through, to give them a space where they can work, without any kind of fear, empowering them to come up with their, solutions, suggestions, ensure that, their skills and, their talents are being used properly in a way that, the community can be served in a much more better way. And I thank UST really for giving me this opportunity to take part in this 2-day training. And finally, with the MSLA report that I have received from my peers, my subordinates, from my managers, I really now understand where I stand in terms of practicing servant leadership. I know my strengths and I know my weakness, and I know the areas of improvement that I really need to work on and practice servant leadership.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.